Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mapo Tofu. Here are the following ingredients. Togarashi spice and Chinese chili bean sauce can be found at any Asian store. Sometimes it is daunting to find these two ingredients by yourself, so don't be afraid to ask a store clerk to point you in the right direction. First, heat the oil in a non-stick pan or wok and add in the dried chili peppers and togarashi spice. Briefly stir and add in the ginger and garlic. Stir for a few seconds since the oil is hot. Quickly add in the ground pork and cook it by breaking it up until it is nice and brown. Then add in the onions and cook it until it is slightly translucent. It is optional to add in the sweet onions, but I always grew up with it in my dishes. It gives a nice crunch and a slight sweetness to the dish. Now start adding the sauces. Chinese chili bean sauce, sriracha, sesame oil, chicken broth, and shoyu. Stir until it is nicely incorporated with everything. Bring it to a simmer, then add in the thickening agent, the cornstarch slurry, which is simply made by combining 1 part cornstarch and 1 part water. Stir until it has thickened. Lastly, add in the drained and cut tofu. Gently stir in the tofu until it has combined with everything. Let it sit for a few minutes to soak in as much of the sauce as needed. Serve it hot with a bowl of rice and enjoy this onolicious Mapo Tofu. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!